today's video, I would like to clarify the safety of this Plunge bra. So this Plunge bra is from Misseskisses. If you want to know more about this one, you can visit their website www.misseskisses.com. Okay, so for your information guys, this one, the metal, the wire is not just an ordinary wire. So the Plunge bra bar deep in the silicone for comfortability and to remain at body temperature. And also it doesn't contain nickel for those who are allergic. So if you guys are worried, don't worry guys, this is completely safe. So now I'm gonna show you guys on how to wear it. Okay, so this is the before and this is the after. Okay, so now I'm gonna wear it so you guys cannot see the wire. Okay, so it will be invisible. Okay, just count please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So this is the magic of Misseskisses. You guys cannot see the wire, okay? You cannot see the wire until here, okay? You cannot see the wire. Okay, so it's just, you know, this is the best push-up bra ever that I've ever seen in all my life, because the result is really amazing. This is incredible, you know, it's too much. So you know guys, you have to be confident when you're wearing this one, because all people will look at you, really. If you guys are worried, please don't be worried, okay? This is completely safe to use, and Misseskisses will not let you in danger, put you in danger. All their wish is to make us happy, to make us satisfied, to make our dream come true. Right. So me, I will be forever thankful to Misseskisses. Shout out to Amanda, the CEO of Misseskisses. Thank you so much. Also guys, Misseskisses got an amazing customer service. They are really helpful. So if you have any question, don't hesitate. They are always there for you to answer all your questions. So if you don't know your size, you know, etc, etc, don't hesitate guys. They will reply as soon as possible, as much as they can, okay? So voila. So I just want to congrats the Misseskisses because they have an incredible team. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please comment down below and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. So voila, see you, bye.